In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to delete your Facebook account, you're first going to want to open up Facebook and then tap the menu icon down in the bottom right corner to open up this page. From here, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy and then hit Settings just like so. And up at the very top, you're going to have an option for Account Center. Go ahead and click on this Account Center section and scroll down till you see these account settings. From here, go ahead and select Personal Details. After that, hit Account Ownership and Control and then select Deactivation or Deletion and pick whatever account you're trying to delete. In my case, we're going to do this Facebook one and then select Delete Account just like so. This is going to show you a summary of what's going to be deleted. Simply review it and then tap Continue if you're 100% sure. From here, you can go ahead and give them a reason. Facebook might try and suggest alternative solutions. To go through this, just hit continue. Hit continue again, and then it's going to prompt you to eventually enter in your password to confirm your deletion. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.